Hi, this is problem number 9 on centroid of plane figures. So here the question is to find the centroid of shaded area. Okay. Therefore, while finding the total area, here we have to find the area of the shaded portion alone. So for that, what I will do is I will take this overall rectangle as component number 1 or total rectangle as component number 1, and I will consider this semicircle as component number 2, and I'll take this right angle triangle as component number 3. Component number 3. Okay. So in the overall rectangle, if you deduct area of the semicircle and area of the quadrant of the circle, you will get the area of the shaded portions. Therefore, three components, and the figure is not symmetrical about both x and the y axis. We have to find both x bar and the y bar. Now let me write the units here: square, millimeter, millimeter, millimeter cube, and millimeter cube. Okay. So what is the first component? Total rectangle. Before that, we will write the formula: x bar and y bar formula for all the components. Uh, if I take G2 as centroid of semicircle, see from the for the semicircle, from its diameter, always distance of centroid is 4r by 3 pi. For semicircle, distance of centroid from the diameter is always 4r by 3 pi, and from this end point it is equal to radius. Okay. And similarly, if I take G3 as centroid of right angle triangle, see, x bar will be equal to what? X bar will be, see, the x bar is going from the point, from the end point of the right angle triangle. So it is 2/3 of distance, 2/3 of b, and y bar is equal to the y bar with respect to y bar. It is going from the line. If it is going from the line, it is 1/3 or h by 3. 1/3 of h or h by 3. Okay. See, while writing the formula for x bar, that x bar is going from the point, from the end point of the right angle triangle. So it is 2/3 of b, and with respect to y bar, it is going from the line. From the line, it is h by 3. Okay. Now we will start doing the calculation for each and every components. First component is rectangle 1, rectangle 1, and for rectangle, total rectangle, it is overall total rectangle 1. Overall width of the rectangle is how much? It is 800 plus 400, 1200 mm. So width of the rectangle is 1200, depth is 1000. It is given in the problem. B into D. B is 1200 into 1000. So it is 12 lakhs. Okay. Then coming to the x value, it is V by 2, 1200 by 2, 600 mm, and y value D by 2, 1000 by 2, so you will get 500 mm. Okay. Then what is the next component? Semicircle. Semicircle 2. Okay. So you have to deduct the area of the semicircle and area of the right angle triangle, because both the components are having unshaded. Uh, both the components are unshaded portions. That is why you have to deduct the area of semicircle and the right angle triangle to get the area of shaded portion alone. Okay, so you take negative sign. Don't forget to take the negative sign. Minus pi r square by 2, half of the area of the circle, minus pi into radius of semicircle. So diameter is given. So radius becomes how much? 400 mm. Radius becomes 400 mm. 400 square by 2. Okay. The answer is minus 251,327.41. Okay. Then coming to the x value for semicircle means distance of G2 from reference y axis. So here we have the reference axis. This is the reference y axis, and here we have the reference x axis. Okay. So x value for semicircle means distance of G2 from reference y axis. This distance. So it is directly equal to radius r, which is equal to 400 mm. Coming to the y value means distance of G2 from reference x axis. This is the y value for semicircle. Directly it is 4r by 3 pi. 4r by 3 pi. 4 into radius is 400 by 3 pi. The answer that you get is 169.76. 169.76. So this completes the calculation for semicircle. Then right angle triangle. Right angle triangle 3. This is the third component. So this is also unshaded portion. Take the negative sign. Minus half into base into height. So minus half into base of right angle triangle is 400. Height is 1000. Okay. Height is 1000. So here it is given. Base is 400 into 1000. Into 1000. The answer of area is minus 2 lakhs. Minus 2 lakhs. Okay. Then x value for right angle triangle means distance of G3 from reference y axis. This distance. This is the x value. Okay. So it is 800 plus 2/3 of b or 2b by 3. Okay. 800 plus 2b by 3 will give x value for right angle triangle. Distance of G3 from reference y axis. So here 800 plus 2b by 3, which is equal to 800 plus 2 into b is 400 by 3. Therefore answer is 1066.67. Okay. Then coming to the y value for right angle triangle means distance of G3 from reference x axis. This distance it is directly h by 3. H by 3. H is 1000 by 3. 333.33. Okay. Now calculate ax. Here it is 7 to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 zeros. So here 6 8 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, check your answer. Cross check the answer. Then ax for semicircle. Check the answer. It is minus 100,530,964. Here it is minus 4266,5341.12. Then here it is minus 21333 4000 minus 6666.67. Okay, 8 sixes. Okay, now calculate the total area. Total area is equal to 748,672.6. Sigma AX is equal to 406135,036, and sigma AY is equal to 490,667,992.2. Okay, now we can find the x bar and the y bar. We have the formula: x bar is equal to sigma AX by sigma A, 406135,036 divided by 748,672.6. By this you will get the value of x bar, that is 542.47 millimeter, and y bar is equal to sigma AY by sigma A, 490,667,992.2 divided by 748,672.6. By this the answer for y bar is 655.38. Okay, so this completes the problem. So if you have got any doubts in solving this problem or understanding this problem, so you can post your doubt in the comment. Okay, thank you.